In this video, we show the relationship between the complementary error function and NORMSDIST function. We begin with the complementary error function. Array formula, ERFC of the x values. And the NORMSDIST, which is equal to array formula, NORMSDIST of the x values. And we'll chart this. Insert chart. And we'll use scatter chart. Scatter chart. And show the trend line. Polynomial to the 8th degree. And show the equation as label. And relocate it at the bottom. So here you have the trend line and the trend line equations of the complementary error function and the NORMSDIST function. Next, we will modify it. Here we have a negative sign, so apply negative sign. Enter. And here we have square root of 2 in the NORMSDIST, so apply times square root of 2 times square root of 2. And multiply by 2. So multiply by 2. 2 times the NORMSDIST. Now they are all in the same trend line. Their data sets are the same. And their polynomial equations are also the same. Next, we calculate the regression coefficients, polynomial regression coefficients using the LINEST matrix. We complete the LINEST matrix, which is array formula of the x values raised to the power 0 to 8. That's the degree of our polynomial, 8. Next, we calculate LINEST. LINEST data y and data x. That's for the complementary error function. LINEST for the NORMSDIST, data y, and data x. Now we compare with our chart output. So the coefficient of x to the 0 is 1. Coefficient of x is 1.12. Coefficient of x squared is 0. This is 0. It's 3.96 times 10 to the minus 16. Very small. And the other one is 4.64 times 10 to the minus 20. So it's also 0. Coefficient of x cubed is negative 0.353. Negative 0.353. Coefficient of x to the 4th is 0. This is negative 7.92 times 10 to the minus 16. That's very small. And negative 2.47 times 10 to the minus 20, which is also very small. So it's 0. X to the 5th, that's 0.0786. 0.0786. X to the 6th is 0. 3.96 times 10 to the minus 16, that's very small. Negative 3.22 times 10 to the minus 16 is also very small. x to the 7th is 7.38 times 10 to the minus 3. 7.38, negative 7.38 times 10 to the minus 3. And x to the 8th is 0. Negative 5.55 times 10 to the minus 17. That's very small. 1.58 times 10 to the minus 21, which is also very small. That's equal to 0. This completes the use of array formula and NORMSDIST and complementary error function or ERFC to generate its trend line and the relations.